Why only 19 are there? What about others? Enter your register numbers. I'll come to know the when you are joining. Enter your register numbers in message box. Only for that people I'll give attendance. That's all. Right. Anyway, I'll start. So I'll tell you today only one program. So because internals are there this week, you execute this. Then next week onwards we'll do two programs. Okay. So Murali Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Murali,
Yes, sir.
what is the time now, sir? Huh? 1:45 lab means now you are joining. Huh? What's Shruti?
Sir,
What is the time now, madam?
sir, actually I have joined, sir, because of some network issues. Again, I rejoined.
Don't know. Right. No, I'll finish because it will not take much time. Just 10 to 15 minutes. It will take the program. I'll tell it. You execute it, and then you can study for the internals. Gangu, bye.
Yes, sir.
Have you written record?
Yes. No, sir. I have to start now.
See, you have to write the records. Which day we are doing the same day only. You have to write the record also. This time anyway, probably this month you are coming to college. You have to come with all the documents. Have you got the assignment one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We
Okay.
got.
So schedule time have mentioned it. You have to update it before the schedule time
10th.
only. So otherwise it will show late submission. You will not get full marks. That's all. That is one. Next one is one more assignment. I'll update it upload it this weekend, and two internals and one lab internals lab assignment also. I'll upload it one lab assignment that also I have to do it. So that is what regarding the assignments. Now we'll come back to a laboratory program. So like topological sorting only we'll do it. When you are doing two outputs or more than 2, you have to write it all the possibility right or wrong. Let us move to the scribe.
Sir,
Okay. Lab program, topological sorting.
sir, in record,
That's what I'm saying, yeah. So without writing also it is coming, huh? Right. Topological sorting. So already we have done whatever I have done it in the class C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. This is what one have done. So here is we got C1, C2, next C3, C4, C5. This is what the output we got it. And the other problem is what I have given the homework is nothing but I hope C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. This is one, second one, this is called first one, and now we'll go back to the other one. I'll tell you the later. Now what will happen, what I told you is for this output is
C4, C5, C3.
yeah, C4, C5, C3, C2, C1. Yeah, now I'll tell you one more, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. What is the topological order for this?
Sir, no topological order, like it,
No
it is
topological
not
order.
starting.
Yes. Why means for all the nodes you are having the incoming nodes. In degrees you are having for all the nodes. That is the reason no topological order. Now the first matrix, how many nodes are there? 5 nodes are there, or 5 vertices, and we need to enter the cost of the matrix. C1 means we are having only to C3, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now C2 you are having with only C3 connection, 0, 0, 1, remaining all are zeros. Now C3 you are having C4 and C5, C4 and C5, C4 and C5. Next with C4 is only C5 you are having, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next, the last one is C5 is nothing but all zeros. Okay, so how many nodes are there? 5 nodes are there. We have to enter the matrix. Now we have written the graph for 5 vertices, 5 what are the edges are there, and we have entered for the matrix for this. Up to here you know the how to write the code. So enter the number of the nodes. After writing number of the nodes, you have to enter the cost of the matrix for the directed graph. So cost of the matrix is nothing but here is zeros and ones only. We are not finding any minimum cost of the spanning tree here. So wherever you have without cost, zeros and ones. Whenever you are having the cost, zeros and given values. So whenever you are finding minimum cost, you need to enter the zero is nothing but 999. That is what you have to do it. Now we'll move to the program. Just simple code only. Right. Now code is visible for you. Code is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now declaration, don't bother for that. H include stdio.h, lib.h, or even stdio.h only is sufficient. So here is int I, j, what are all the variables it is required for you. Later you can enter it in the declaration part. Now enter the number of the vertices is nothing but 5. That's what I have shown here. Number of the vertices is nothing but the 5. So you can write here is this is nothing but the vertices. So once you write the vertices, you have to enter the matrix. How to take the matrix is nothing but 2 loop statements. You have to take it for I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So here is 1 to n only we have taken. The matrix is nothing but we'll call 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Similarly, we are taking also same thing here. Enter the matrix for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus. Suppose if you enter her 5 nodes is nothing but 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. Now up to here, this is called the input. So up to here, you do. I think you don't have any problem to take the input values. So same way only, either BFS also same thing, DFS also same thing, or Prims, Krushkas, Dijkstra's, whatever you have taken till now the matrix, the similar order. Now we have written here if A of I comma j. If A of I comma j is nothing but what? Wherever you have 1. So now this statement is nothing but it should be true. When it will be true, this is nothing but you can write it like this if you want. If you are having problem, if you are doesn't have any problem, no problem. So if A of I comma j equal to 1, that is what the meaning for this statement. If A of I comma j means if A of I comma j is equal to 1. So in the given matrix, wherever you have 1 is nothing but this one. So this is nothing but 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So here is I values is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is nothing but the I represents. So now j represents is nothing but what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? Now you know the reading is nothing but 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Now where you are having 1, 1 to 3. Next where you are having 2 to 3. Next where you are having 3 to 4, 3 to 5, 4 to 5. That is what you have the ones. Now what I have written the code here, just to see it here. Wherever you have 1, flag of j is equal to flag of j plus plus. That is nothing but the j location. Now tell me in this case where you have ones. So according to this j location is nothing but I have written it code also here. So where you have the j, when you have 1, 2, 3, this is called 1. So j location is nothing but 3. So flag of j is equal to increment by 1. So I'll write something like this. Just write it here. Flag of, just listen. Flag of 1, flag of 2, flag of 3, flag of 4, flag of 5. Okay. So initially here, just to see here, we made it zeros, that one. Now here is what will happen. Flag of I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. This statement have not told, just listen here. So initially you are making, this is nothing but the resulting purpose. Q array you are taking the resulting purpose. Flag of I is nothing but for in degrees, out degrees to find out. So when you are taking this, flag of I is equal to 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, irrespective of the locations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all zeros. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5 also 0. Now let us come back to here. What will happen in this case? Now the similarly, I'll write it here. Q of 1, Q of 2, Q of 3, Q of 4, Q of 5. So this also you are making 0, 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 this also you are making 0. So now what I told you is wherever you have 1, so this will be incremented. That is nothing but what? Flag of j is nothing but 3. So with this 3 increment by 1. That is nothing but the 0 plus 1 is nothing but plus 1 increment by 1. So now this is the what the code I have written. Just check it out here. If flag of I comma j is equal to flag of j, so j is nothing but 1, 2, 3. So third location you are incrementing by 1. So now what will happen? Like that you will be taking entire matrix. When you are taking the matrix, here is 1. Now the second row 2 to 1, 2 to 2, 2 to 3. So third location again you got 1 and j location is nothing but the 3. So flag of 3 increment by 1. So flag of 3 increment by 1 is nothing but this one. Next, now what will happen? Third row, fourth location increment by 1. So fourth location increment by 1. Next, 3 comma 5. So fifth location flag of 5. So flag of 5 increment by 1. Next, fourth row you are going 4 to 0, 4 to 2, 4 to 3, 4 to 4, 4 to 5. So flag of 5 increment by 1. This is what when you are taking the input values you are doing. That's all. You are off of the problem, not off. 3 by 4th of the problem almost over now. 3 of the 4th problem over now. So now the simple case. Any doubt now till here? Resultant will be doing now next loop. So we have not touched this. So this is nothing but comma here. Some of the people, many people are doing mistakes. So if you don't want mistakes, just put the semicolon and here is open bracket. So many people will do the mistakes, examination, this one only. Because if I put it comma means, what will happen? The same statement will be considered. Actually, this both to be taken 0 locations. So put it this, you will not get any confusion. So that means what? One for calculation purpose, one for the output purpose you have taken. Do you have any doubts up to here? This is nothing but how many number of the nodes. So n, declare it here n. Now flag of I for calculation purpose, flag of 10 you take it here. Q of array location, Q of 10 you take it and declare it here. So that is nothing but the output purpose. Now enter the matrix. This is nothing but flag of I means when it will become true, when you have the 1. That is what if a of I comma j is equal to 1. So that means 1 is equal to 1, condition is true, then increment by 1. So up to here, any doubts? If you are having, please let me know this. Any doubts? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead?
Okay, sir.
Right. Now simple. Just listen here. For one more 2 loops you have to take it. Even if you want, you can take it j also, because I comma j only you have taken. So k we have taken for the different variables. That's all. So k is equal to 0, k less than n, k plus plus. This is nothing but the to check all the nodes purpose. That's it. Now this one only exactly the way of working. I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. This is nothing but first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. This loop will execute just 5 times. That's it. Now we'll see here what will happen. I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. If not flag of I, that means what? Wherever you have flag of I is equal to 0. So now see the here, where you have flag 0, 1 is there, 2 is there. That means what? You don't have the integers. This is the way of finding the integers. Wherever you have the zeros, there you don't have the integers. Then you have to start it. Now 3, how many integers are there? In a diagram, 2 integers are there. How many plus 1s are there? 2 are there. Now if you take 4, how many integers are there? 1 integer. That's what this one. 5, how many integers are there? 2 integers are there. This is what this diagram. Now got it this? So this is nothing but the flag is nothing but why you are incrementing the previous loop is nothing but how many integers are there you are calculating. That's it. Now in this case what will happen? You will be having for all the nodes integrate directly it will be coming. There is no topological sorting, you will get it. That's it. Now what you have to do is not flag of I is nothing but wherever you have 0. Flag 1 you have 0. So now do the process. Now how to do the process? Just listen here. Flag of I is, if flag of I is equal to 0 means first one will become 0, that it will become flag of I is equal to -1. So flag of I is equal to -1 means this one I is equal to 1, this one you are making called -1. This is nothing but you are replacing with -1. You are replacing with 0, replacing with -1. Now what will happen? Now you are taking the q of plus plus m is equal to I. So plus plus of m is equal to I in the sense 1. So resultant in this one you are placing it. This is called the first where you have the don't have the integers, that is called the 1. One value I will tell you, the remaining it will continue as it is, don't worry. So only one for one variable I will tell you. Now what will happen? You got the where you don't have the integers, first you don't have the integers, that one only will consider. That is the reason when you are writing the loop, actually mathematically if you are proving this, the other answer also can be written C2, C1, C3, C4, C5. This answer also right. But when you are writing, when you are doing programming, so normally when you are putting into the loop, first one will be considered because there also flag of now you don't have integers, C1 only will be considered. So when you are writing the programming, C1 only will be displaying. That is nothing but this output will be displayed. But when you are calculating, this answer also right. You cannot say wrong. Right. Now j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus. Now what I have told you is here flag of I comma j. So that is nothing but, so here you made it -1. Flag of I comma j, that is nothing but here 1. So now this loop is executing up to n. 1 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I is fixed now. 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Like this it will be executing. Now let us see this one. 1 to 1 and flag of j should be greater than 0. Flag of j should be greater than 0 means what will happen? Where you have this one, flag 1 is greater than 0? No. Flag 2 greater than 0? No. Flag 3 is greater than 0. So because two values are there, now you have to subtract 1. So that is what this meaning here. See, if flag of I comma j and flag of j is equal to 0 means, so here this one condition will become false, this condition will become false. Here you have the 1 plus 1. So that is nothing but you need to decrement by 1 now in this case. That's what you see here. You need to flag of j minus minus, that is nothing but this you are decrementing 1. So that means you have stored into the queue. Once you stored into the queue, this should be deleted. So once you delete it here, C3 integer is there, that you subtract by -1. So that means what will happen? -1. Okay, are you getting what I'm saying? Others, students? Are you getting? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Please let me know
Yes, sir.
this. So you have to we have to tell where you have the doubts. Now what will happen? Flag of j. Now what will happen? This one only. So j value will be incremented. So after 3 here, see the diagram here. So 3 over, now 4. So this is also greater than 0. Now what will happen? You need to decrement by 1. So that is nothing but, so one second, I'll go here only. So I comma j, flag of j is equal to 0. So now what will happen? J value, 3 values over. So that is nothing but decremented by 1. Now again it will be coming here. So j value will be incremented. So one more flag minus minus is nothing but 1. So here flag of 4. So 4 is there. So you are subtracting this also minus minus. So what will happen? This one will be subtracting one more one. So because when you have the fourth one, so there is nothing but the decremented by 1. So here is like this flag of minus minus. So this is one bracket, this is one bracket, and this is one bracket. So like this you are decrementing by 1. Once it is over, again I value will be incremented by 1. So second one is flag of I is equal to 0. First one is over. Flag is equal to minus 1. Not flag of I. That is nothing but is equal to 0. First one is equal to 0. So it will not be coming here. So next what will happen? Second one will be going. Second will be working. So then decrement by 1. So like this, wherever you have incremented by 1, so decrement by 1. So decrement by 1. So that means what? First C1 will be deleted, next C2 will be deleted, next C4 will be deleted. Like this it will be happening. That values will be stored into the queue. So finally what will happen? If m is equal to n, so m is equal to n in the sense this one, n is there and m is nothing but this one. So how many you can increment it, how many values you can store it here? So once it is decremented this one, next once again decremented by 1 this. So this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nodes, 5 times you are decrementing by 1. That values you are storing here. So which one you are decrementing? That values you are writing here. So next one is what will happen? So this values you are storing into this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What all the values are there? So first one, this one will be deleted. Next second one will be deleted. Third one will be deleted. Fourth one will be deleted. Fifth one will be deleted. That order will be written for this. The similarly second diagram also same thing. So what you do is for one value you write it. The remaining anyway you are written into the loop. So that it will be taken care next one. So I is equal to 2 will happen. Then wherever you are having 1, that will be decremented by 1. So take it this, that answer will be copied here. So that is what the way of writing the programming. Now we'll see. We'll be seeing and running the program and we'll see the output. So any doubt these statements, this not flag of I is equal to 1 means 0, 0 negation is nothing but 1. So whenever you have this one condition is true, then it will be working. When it will be condition is 1, so flag of I is equal to 0. So that negation is nothing but 1. So that is what these values will be happening. So first one time when you have the flag of I, so we have written it is nothing but the first one also 0. Next time second one will be happening. Next, whenever your 2 times is decrementing by 1, so 1 and 2. Next, what will happen? 0 will become. Next, when you're 3, when you're happening, so fourth one and fifth one will be deleted. That will be added automatically. So just try to understand for one variable. So once you know this, then you can analyze it in detail how it will be working, I values and j values. Nothing is there in this. Just I values and j values, if condition, looping statement, if it is working, if you are able to understand, nothing is there in this program. So just this is what you have to do it. Now see here, now what will happen? Enter the number of the vertices 5. Next what you have done for I is equal to 0 to 0, 1 to n. Then what you have done? Flag of I is equal to initialization of 0, flag I and cube. You have taken these two. Next what you have written? For k is equal to 1 to n, you are 1 to m. 0 to m you have taken. Next in this, what I have written is nothing but here. So here is if flag of I is equal to 0. So that means what? Here only when you are taking the input values also, when you are taking the input itself, you are incrementing by 1. That means wherever you have 1, j values locations will be incremented. So that means what? Plus 1 plus 1, that is nothing but how many integers are there, you can find out if you write this statement. If flag of I is equal to 1, flag of j is equal to flag of j plus 1. That means otherwise flag of j plus 1. So how you want, you can write the increment values. So once you write this, next for I is equal, next you are writing the one more looping statement here. K to n, I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to m, I plus plus. Now what will happen? You are finding where you have the zeros. So when you are having zeros, then your make it is minus 1, and you find out where you have ones. Wherever you have ones, there you are decrement by 1. So what will happen? Here also making minus 1. Now here is 1 is there, 1. So this you have to get it back to zeros. So that is the reason minus 1. Next what will happen? Once you get this, then come out of the loop and increment by 1 more time. So that is what this statement. Flag of I is equal to minus 1. So q of that will be stored into this one. Next j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus means what will happen? This is nothing but wherever you have the in degrees, you are decremented by 1. In degrees, you are decremented by 1. So that is what this statement. And see the problems parallelly here. So the same order only, how you have done, how you are incrementing, how you are decrementing, how you are storing the resultant values. So for have written for one value, next values increment by j values is 1, and check it out how it will be working for this loop. So once it is over this j loop over, next again it will be come back to this one only. Next it will check for the next rotations, next locations. Like this it will be doing. M is equal to n means whatever you have stored into the resultant values and how many vertices are there or how many nodes are there. So if both are equal, then q value you print it. Otherwise, no topological sorting. Just I'll run it and I'll show you how it will be working. So now we have to run the program. How many vertices are there? So I have written 5 vertices. Same diagram, this one only I will enter it now. So this one only. So now what will happen? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Next one is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Next one is triple zeros, 1, 1. Next one is 4 zeros, 1. Next one is all zeros. So now the topological ladder is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the second diagram I'll enter it here. Second diagram is nothing but this one. So it should come this one. So matrix is nothing but, you know that. So C1 is nothing but all zeros. I'll run once again this. C1 is nothing but all zeros. So sorry, number of vertices is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you write 5 matrix, you have to enter it. C1, you don't have any outgoing degrees, all zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next C2. C2 also you don't have any outgoing degrees, all zeros. Next C3. From C3, C1 and C2. C1 and C2. 1, 1. Remaining all zeros. So even you can see it here. So C1 out, there is no out degree, C2 no out degree, C3 means you have C1 and C2. That one only have written. Now C4 is nothing but C3 and C5. C3 and C5. C3 and C5. C3 is nothing but say C3 to C1, sorry, C4 to C1 0, C2 also 0, C3 is, I told you, 1, and C4 to C4 0, C5 is nothing but 1. Next to C5, check it out. So C5 you have only C3. Only C3, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0. Now the topological order is nothing but what you have told is here 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Check it out here now. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Do you got it the same answer? Do you got it or not? Right. Now we'll see this matrix. Now this matrix. So now for this, the matrix is C1 to C2, C1 to C1 0. Next is 1. That's it. Remaining all zeros. 3 also 0, 4 also 0, 5 also 0. From C2 to C3 only. Remaining all zeros. Next C3 to, you have C1 and C4. C1 and C4. Remaining all zeros. Next C4. C4 means you have only C5. Next C5. C5 means only C3. Remaining all zeros. This is what the matrix. I'll enter the same matrix and you know how to enter the matrix also. Now what you will be getting, we'll see here. So the matrix is 5. Now enter the cost of the matrix 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Second row is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Next is third row is 0, 0, 0, 0. Third row is nothing but, first one is 1, sorry. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, third row. Next fourth row is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. The next row is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. If matrix is wrong, you will not get correct answer. That's all. No topological sorting. This is what the matrix here. That's what whatever I have entered it here. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Next is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Correct. Next is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. See here. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Next is 4 zeros 1. 4 zeros 1. Last row is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. No topological order. So still, if you have any doubts, please let me know here. Any doubt? So when next time when I'm asking you second internal topological order, if you enter 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, so directly will give 0. You have to write the matrix. You have to show it. Sir, this is the matrix. Sir, this is the graph. This is the matrix. This is the answer. Manually, you have to solve it first. What is the answer? Then you have to write the same order in the examination also. So how you are solving here, that way only you have to write it. Okay. So now you can copy the question. Then you execute it. You can copy it. Font size is visible. Today I made it bigger one. Font size is visible?
Yes, sir.
Can copy it. See here is it's showing totally 35 lines. So in that 35 lines, up to here you have the input only 23. You can say 22. Up to 22 lines is input values only. So you have now the remaining is nothing but what? 50 minus 22, including all the outputs. This one also not required here. So now 51 minus 22 you put it. That is what your exactly code. Even output, if you remove it, you know how to write it. This one also 40 only. In that 40 minus 22. So 18 lines of the code. That's it. You have the code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines only code your programming logic. Remaining is where you are opening, where you are closing. That's it. That you should remember it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines only. Logic, other than the input output. So you know how to write the input values, output values. Only 7 lines if you are able to remember topological sorting over. That's what this main program. Remaining is nothing. Yeah. Declaration. Anyway, when you are compiling, it will ask you to not define symbol. That time you enter it, nothing will happen. Answer your attendance by that time. The rest copy it, end of the class. I will take attendance, no problem. Anyway, also no problem.
Sir,
Yeah.
in the code, we have to draw graph or paste the printed graph. In record, we have to draw graph.
Report.
Record.
Record.
In
Okay.
record. We have to draw graph or paste the printed graph.
No. Only where you have the sorting techniques, you write the graph and whatever you are getting the graph, you take the printout and paste it up. Remaining, just you draw by your own. See, now I have drawn graph here. No, this is the matrix. This is the graph. First, you draw like this graph and write the matrix. That's it. So from this graph, you can say this is the answer. So whatever you are getting, you can write it, no problem. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you draw any prims, Krushkas, Dijikstas also, no need to paste any graph here. Just you write it, whatever you are giving the input values, you assume some graph and give it. That answer is right or wrong, you need to identify it. That's it. Manually, you know how to solve it. Once you know this, just cross verify it. Your program is right or wrong. That's it.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Copy it. Shall I scroll down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about other solver copied?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Up to here, copy it, then I'll move it. When you're copying, write it indentation correctly, then only you will understand. Otherwise, this program indentation, if you are not writing, you will get confused only. Indentation, because where you are starting, where you are closing. Copied? Copied. You have to say, then only I can scroll down. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Up to 9 over. Right. Comment line is for understanding purpose. Which one you want, you can use it, no problem. Over. Over. You have to stay.
Yes, sir.
So up to 30th. Over. Hello. Copy it.
Yes, sir.
Over? Over? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall I close?
Okay, sir.
Now tell me the attendance. 1. Question number 1.
Yes, sir.
2. 3.
Present, sir.
4.
Yes, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6. Tell fast. 6. Arbaz. 7. 8.
Yes, sir.
9.
Present,
10.
Present, sir.
11. 12.
Present, sir.
13.
sir.
13 present, sir.
Right, sir. 14.
Sir, 11 present.
14
Hmm.
present, sir.
16.
16 present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18. 19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21.
Present.
22.
Present, sir.
23.
23 present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25. 26.
Present,
25
sir.
absent. Lata. 27.
26 present, sir.
28.
Present, sir.
Lata join now. All right. 27. 28.
Present, sir.
29. Nilanjan. 30. TD series 2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5. 6. 7.
And 6 present,
Present, sir.
8.
Sir, 7 present, sir.
8.
Sir
Rakesh.
Arjun. Sir Arjun.
Rakesh. Raksha. Raksha absent. Next
Sir, who is
9.
Raksha?
9 present, sir.
8. Raksha.
Rakesh, sir.
Sorry, Rakesh. Rakesh absent, huh?
Yes, sir. Absent.
Hmm.
Sir, 9 present.
10 present, sir.
11. Ravishankar. 12.
12 present, sir.
13. 14.
Yes, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Yes, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19. Srinidhi. Srinidhi absent. 20.
Present, sir.
21. 22.
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
Right.
Sir, 25 BY series 25 present,
Sir,
sir.
13, sir. TD 13.
What were you doing, sir?
25, sir.
Sir Arjun, sir.
23.
Sir 07 Arjun.
Right.
1B by 1907, sir.
Huh?
Sir, 25.
Ravishankar Tripathi, now you are telling. What you people were doing while calling?
Sir BY
Huh?
07. Sir, my network gone, sir. Like it went up.
Okay.
Sir,
See,
TD 13, sir.
TD 28, how many times you want? Yeah.
13, sir. TD 13.
13 given. Next.
Sir, BY 11. BY 11, sir.
BY 11. Bhavisha. Given.
BY 25, sir.
Lata given.
BY 27, sir.
27 given. Manjunath. That's it. Okay, you have to execute today itself, then only you will understand the program. If you keep quiet, if you are keeping pending, you will not understand later.